In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to uninstall Reaper from your Windows computer. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have Reaper closed from your timeline down here. Then from here, you need to go on to Start and click in Uninstall Apps right here. Then from here, you should be looking something like this. And up here, you can search for Reaper like so. And then from here, you can click on the three dots called More Options and click Uninstall. Uninstall, and then click Yes. Then from here, you should be looking something like this. Then you can click Uninstall down here or Cancel if you're not sure, but click Uninstall. And then from here, you can see it's completed and you can close it down. And as you can see, Reaper Uninstall completed. Okay. And as you can see now, it has deleted on Uninstall Apps and it has deleted on your dashboard. It also deleted on here. Then from here you can just open file location and click delete like so. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!